Question number 9 says, a 3,000 unit in 500 ml heparin solution to infuse at 2,520 units per 3 hours with a 10 GTT per ml set. Find the flow rate in GTT per minute. So the final answer they want in GTT per minute, which means at some point we're going to have to use the formula. And the order is coming in at 2,520 units per 3 hours, and our strength is 3,000 over 500. So the first thing I want to do is set up a proportion. With the 2,520 units so that I can figure out how many mLs this is. 500 times 2520 divided by 3,000, and we get x is equal to 420 milliliters. Now this is actually not per hour. This is per 3 hours. So it's kind of an odd time frame, but that's what it's going to be. So now I'm ready to use the formula. And they tell us that this is a 10 GTT per milliliter set. And then the other two pieces of information I'm going to get from my answer here. So the 420 mLs is going to go right here, and then the 3 hours is going to go here, but first I need to convert that to minutes. So if I multiply 3 by 60, I get 180 minutes. And then I want to solve the formula, and rounding to the nearest whole number, we get 23 GTT per minute.